who's been waiting for the M1.
Alpha team, this is Echo team. Level 1 is clear. Copy that, Echo. Proceed with caution. 10-4.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's Manpreet Singh here. And today I've got a pretty awesome unboxing. We've got the brand new M1 chipped iPad Pro. This is the 12.9 inch model. So I was only able to get my hand on the 128 gig. This is the Wi-Fi plus cellular. I like having cellular because it's always nice to have data when you're not at home on Wi-Fi. So yeah, let's jump into this unboxing. So here we've got the iPad Pro. We'll put this right to the side here and we'll take a look to see what else is included in the box. So we've got designed by Apple in California. Got some books and stuff. We've got our stickers right here. A couple of Apple stickers in there. Some quick start books, that kind of stuff. Standard stuff that I never ever read or ever look at, except for what I unbox. We've got a charging brick, and this one I believe is the 20 watt. Yep, 20 watt charging brick. And we've got the USB-C to USB-C cable, which they've started doing. Come on Apple, get with it. Start doing it on iPhones as well. That's all that comes in the box. So I'm glad that there's a charging brick and a charging cable. And here is the iPad. So I've got the space gray model here. Wow, look at that. That apple is shining. Looks good. Space gray is actually probably one of my favorite colors for the larger devices. For the phones, I do like the the blue and the greens and all that kind of stuff. But for something like an iPad, I think I'm happier with some of the basic colors. Even my MacBook Pro is a space gray. But I'll let you take a look at that. It's kind of an awesome color. So we'll turn it around here. I'll turn it on. So I don't actually have the SIM card with me, so you'll have to wait to see how it looks. This one does have the higher quality screen, which I'm actually really excited about. So I'll give you more details and stuff on that in the full review. But we will also share some specs with you on a little splash screen throughout this video as well. So you guys can see it is now on. We've got the screen here. So you can see the bezels are very small compared to the previous iPads. They used to have huge bezels, but they also used to have a home button down here. Now it's all, the swipe. All that stuff has changed. We've got a magnet here for the Apple Pencil. The Apple Pencil allows for charging and stuff, which is pretty cool. Actually, got a pencil right here. So we'll put that on so you can see it hooks on magnetically. It is pretty awesome. So the second generation pencil will charge right here, as well as it's just a nice holding spot for it. We've got the dual cameras with the LiDAR sensor as well. So cameras should be pretty decent, but I mean, it's a tablet, so I wouldn't really be taking it on any sightseeing adventures. Also, it's a 12.9 inch. That's pretty huge to be taking around for sightseeing. All right, so I took a quick break. I actually did happen to have a SIM card, so I did put the SIM card in here. It does have LTE, so it's showing LTE. It's not a 5G SIM card that's in here. This device is capable of 5G, so that's actually something that is as a bonus from the previous year's model. I also happen to have a 10-inch model, so we can see the size comparison. So the 12.9 is quite a bit bigger. I actually think this might be an 11. So either way, 12.9 you can see is quite a bit bigger. They're the same width, so nothing changes there. It is actually just the rest of the dimensions that are bigger. So that's a bit of a size comparison for you. That is about all I have for the unboxing. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the full review. We will be reviewing it. We'll actually try to edit some of the videos and stuff on this M1 chip so we can see exactly how fast it is. And we'll also compare it to one of the previous year models of iPad as well. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully we can get that out for you in the next couple of weeks, but no guarantees on that, obviously. We will try our best. And if you have any other questions, comments, or anything like that, please use the comment section down below, and we will try our best to get back to you as soon as possible. Please like, share, subscribe, and peace out.